Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Blackview BV9600 Pro. This is a very tough smartphone that needs a fix, and it's got no broken display. So this one has a broken back cover and a broken camera glass. So this is a stock back cover and camera glass, so we're gonna replace this one. And also the unit is not charging, so we're gonna replace the daughter board that's on the bottom part of the smartphone. And right off the bat, when we say tough smartphone, it's like a G-Shock of smartphones. It's a ruggedized smartphone that's built for tough jobs. As you can see here, there's a lot of damage on the back cover and of course on the bottom part of the smartphone. It's kind of burned. So this is specifically designed for construction applications, like when you have people in the construction on the field working on very exposed conditions to the elements. So this is the smartphone for you. You don't bring your iPhone 11, iPhone 13 out there. So when you drop this, it's gonna take a beating before it breaks like this. And as you can see here, the adhesives is very thick, and as you can see here, there's I think 2 layers of adhesives, and David has to take his time, and this has taken a lot of time, and you have to really break the glass. And fortunately, this is gonna be chucked into the bin. And screws on the first layer, or the layer underneath the glass, is concealed by this adhesive, so we have to do more cleaning. So this is the replacement back cover, and we're gonna take this off from the frame. You can see there the camera is still working, but the camera glass is not. So the client wants us to fix the charging and of course the daughter board, which also manages the microphone and the speakers. So after we have done that, we don't really need to remove all the adhesives. We're gonna proceed now to the sides. These are the guards for the sides. These are metal. And you can see there's an inscription for dust proof, and on the other side there's also an inscription of waterproof. So we have a metal plate that covers the sides, and the buttons are also reinforced. You can see there's also metal buttons on top of the actual button. So the construction is very nice, very strong. And we're gonna open this one, and as you can see, there's some orange gasket all over the device. When you say waterproof, this is how you should be doing it. It's like a gasket for your engine. And this is the daughter board that we're gonna fix. Battery is still good. Daughter board needs to be replaced. And we are now applying the new cover. So we're gonna screw it in. In fact, this is very easy to repair except for the first layer of glass, which is I think only for aesthetic purposes and to make the smartphone look cleaner, because the inside shell is all plastic. And it's now charging. It's good to go. We're gonna reassemble the whole thing and finish the job. So this is the new backplate with a new camera glass. We're gonna screw it in and just reverse the process. So this is the first time I think in the shop that we have fixed the Blackview smartphone. So I think David has sourced the parts for the client beforehand. So if you have some specialized smartphones out there that needs a fix, just approach David. Maybe he can source the parts for you, because he's very keen on providing the proper fix. As you can see here on our videos, we don't really do the half of the job. We do do it or don't do it at all. So we're gonna put back this cover. You can see that there's dust proof, so you can just chuck it around. And some of the videos online tends to torture this device by burning it. You can see there that the sides, which made of rubber, it's kind of burning. Maybe that's the case there. And this one doesn't really need a lot of adhesives. I don't know why Blackview has put a lot of thick adhesives. We're just gonna put adhesive strips and then put the new back glass on top of it. There's no inscription like branding, but it's still gonna work. And the screen still working. And we're gonna put it back and then perform some tests. So the overall repair time for this device has been, majority of it were spent on disassembly because of the thick adhesives and of course the specific nature of the screws and the design, which is not something that you will see every day. So we're gonna test the microphone and the camera because the client needs to use this a lot for work, and it's working. So it's this running Android but with a very rugged skin, which is I think pretty good. So I think this is good, guys. Thanks for joining. If you have a smartphone that needs a screen replacement or battery replacement, just message us. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.